This is Anna Sky, and today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing Art Deco invitation. And today we're going to show you how to make this fan embellishment that goes around the invitation. To get started, you're going to cut some gold paper into a 1" by 11" strip, and then you're going to cut a second piece into a 3" by 3" square. This square will become the fan that we origami fold at the front. So to get started, you're going to want to fold that square in half, crease it with the bone folder, then fold it a second time so you're making a smaller triangle. And making tight creases is going to give you those sharp, crisp fan lines. Then you're going to open up one end of the triangle and push it down to make a diamond. And crease it again, and then fold it over, flatten down just like you did the first side to make the second diamond. And you want to keep an eye on your points because that's going to, aligning the points on each side of the triangle is what gives it that sharp look. Then we're going to fold the flap in, making like an airplane fold, and you're folding into the middle seam. And we're going to repeat that again, folding into the middle seam on the opposite side. Then we're going to fold that airplane back onto itself, making a fold that almost looks like a men's sports coat lapel. And you just want to kind of line up the points, and then you repeat that back fold on the opposite side, giving a nice sharp point down at the end. Now flip it over and fold that triangle flap down, and this is going to be the ledge that goes onto the band. Now this step is optional, but I added some score lines on my strip that sort of gives it a metallic look, like a lot of the Art Deco jewelry and the time period had. And I'm just using a scoring tool that has a nub that is etching in to the band as I drag it along my ruler. I did 3 lines, and if I hold it up, you can kind of see how that embosses the card, like so. Now I'm going to tape the back side of my diamond fan. And this is just going to hold those flaps from opening up, and you tuck it down inside that little cup opening. And then I'm going to tape it here where the seam is, making sure no tape is sticking out. And then that folds over my band. You just want to slip it on at the middle point of the strip. It doesn't have to be exact, just eyeball the middle. Now take your invitation, hold your belly band up to the invitation, fold it around, and this is going to give you a nice tight fit. Then flip it over to the back, and using the same double-sided tape, I'm going to attach the strips to each other. And then push down, give it a good press. And now you have your little ornate band that you can tuck your RSVP cards and envelope into. This sort of ties it all together like it's a little present that they're getting when they open up the envelope. Just press everything, make sure it's all sticking, and now you're all set to send it to your wedding guests. If you liked this project, we also have it available in a silver option that you kind of get a sneak peek of there. And you can make both options at downloadandprint.com.